I would like to talk about how new markets are created and some features which you can identify when a new market is emerging. On the slide behind me, you will see what happened and how the mobile internet market emerged. One of the things which you should look for when you're looking for a new market emerging is how laws are being changed. In Finland, for example, there were several laws which were being changed. One was that the bundling of the mobile phone and the subscription was allowed. Another example of a change in laws was the number portability. In other words, the consumer could take the number with him. So look for laws and how laws are changing. Another thing you should look for is how the business model is changing. When the mobile internet market was created, there was a big shift from transaction-based pricing towards flat rate, all-you-can-eat data. So a change in business model. A third thing which you should look for is look at killer products, new emerging products which capture the interest of the consumer in masses. In Finland, the first thing which captured the interest of the masses was this small product which we call Mokkula, which you attached into the computer, and with that you could get the internet onto your computer using a mobile device. The next thing which sort of captured the interest of the market was the iPhone, which was the first, and if you like, the first smartphone, and this was a killer product which really caught the interest of the market. So look for laws, look for new business models, and look for killer products. In the second slide here, this looks at another industry, and it looks at the tourism industry, which was actually the first industry to really go onto the internet. And on the slide behind me, I have put a chart, and on that chart you can ask yourself what e-service you are using in relation to tourism. You can ask yourself in the second column, how does this connect to the real world? What is the value to you? So if you, for example, are using a service, ebookers.com, for example, to find your journey, to book an air ticket, to buy an air ticket, then how does it connect to the real world? Of course, you fly. What's the value? The value to you is that you can search for the cheapest ticket, if you like, and also what is the value to the airline? The airline gets all its offering onto the internet. Then you can ask what is the business model of the service provider? So what is the business model of services like hotels.com or ebookers.com? Then you can ask the question, who is losing? Is the airline losing because there is a portal available? Is the hotel losing because there is a portal, hotels.com, available? Then you can ask the question, what is the role of the community? This refers to referrals. Somebody is suggesting or recommending a service, and what is the value in people recommending, and how does this change the way people search for hotels or airlines they are using? And then you can ask the final question, what are my e-tools? What tools do I use when buying services in this way? So this is a way you can look at the markets changing in the tourism industry. And the third slide which I have here is the music industry, and on this slide I have the video, and on that video there is a link you can see it here. So my suggestion is click this link, look at it on YouTube, and then take the business model canvas and look at all and try and plot all the different ways that this case is changing the business models of the music industry, or how business models are used in this particular case here. Thank you.